How to install ChatGPT in Windows. Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download ChatGPT on your Windows or Mac or Linux. So let's get started. So all you have to do is just simply go ahead and search for ChatGPT download GitHub because GitHub has the official download. If you don't believe me, if you just simply go ahead and search on Google, you can download ChatGPT desktop version on Windows from github.com. So we are over here. All you got to do is just search for it, click on this link, and once you're over here, scroll down and you will find the install options right here. So over here, you can see the update logs, the history versions as well. And then down below, you have the Windows option right here. So over here, this is the Linux and all the releases that they have. This is for the Linux and this is for the Windows, as you can see. So all you got to do is just simply click on the link and we'll just simply download it. And once it's downloaded, we just run the application and just simply click on next, install, click on launch ChatGPT, and boom, there you go. You have ChatGPT on your Windows. Now all you have to do is just simply log in and start using it. So click on the login button, and once you've logged in, you are good to go. And as you can see, it is working right here, and we can go ahead and start using it. Hi, and it works. So that is how you do it. That is how you install ChatGPT on Windows. So thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.